Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belinda and today I'm going to be colouring up this beautiful image by Crest and Karron as a speed colouring. Let's pop in and have a look. Thanks for joining me for this beautiful image today. I've done this whole image up with Karron Supracolor pencils. They are water based. I have printed it on Neenah Classic Crest Solar White paper. I wouldn't suggest doing that if you are going to be using the Supracolors as they are watercolor, and I did have trouble with the water making the paper peel and things like that. So if you were going to attempt to do this one again, I would definitely use watercolor paper. This one's called Starborn by Crest and Karron. She actually released this one as an event in her group before Christmas, it may have been. I just haven't had time to get this video up. And it was a challenge that we could do using some colors that were put aside for different star signs, and I don't really go for the whole star sign thing, so there was also the choice to go for a whole galaxy image. So I've decided to place that galaxy in the entire image, including her skin and hair and things like that, and I really enjoyed doing it. So this image is available now in Christine's Etsy store. I will pop her links in the description below. I'll also put Etsy, Facebook group, Facebook page, Instagram, things like that for you as well, so you can check those out. I've also done a video of this one with a full commentary, so I explain what I'm doing step by step through the process. It is available to patrons, so if you'd like to check that out, please check out the link also in the description below, and check out my Patreon. Guys, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoy watching the speed colouring. I'm going to pop on some music and you guys can sit and relax and enjoy. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. If you click on the little bell, you'll get notifications when I upload new videos, and also when I do my live videos on Mondays and Fridays. Crest and Karron will be having a colour along with us in the next couple of months, so make sure that you have joined my Facebook group so that you can get the image when it becomes available for that month. Thanks again, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.